You don't need to be a Harvard student to study like one. Most top students aren't smarter. They're just using a smarter system. If you've ever read a page and forgot it 5 minutes later, or studied for hours and your grades didn't move, it's not you. It's your method. In the next few minutes, I'll give you 4 Harvard-style study tricks that make learning feel lighter and results show faster. And the last one is the simplest, but it changes everything. Here's the switch. Don't reread to feel productive. Pull the info out of your brain. After a small section, close everything and ask, what were the main ideas? Say them out loud or write them from memory. Then create 3 to 5 quick questions, like a mini quiz, and answer without looking. This forces your brain to build strong memory pathways. Even if you struggle at first, that struggle is the point. It's literally your brain getting stronger. Next, if you can't explain it simply, you don't own it yet. Pick one concept and explain it like you're teaching a younger kid. No fancy words. If you get stuck, that's the exact spot you need to review. Then explain again with a cleaner version. This trick turns, "I think I understand," into, "I can actually use it." And it works for everything: vocabulary, biology, math steps, even history. Now the study rhythm that keeps you sharp. Work in a focused burst, then take a real break. A simple setup is 50 minutes focused, plus 10 minutes reset. Repeat it a few times. During the focus part, one task only. No multitasking. Phone on airplane mode. Tabs closed. During the break, stand up, drink water, stretch, breathe. Don't scroll. This keeps your energy stable and your attention strong instead of dying after the first hour. And the biggest hidden advantage, your environment trains your brain. If you study in the same clean, distraction-free spot, your brain starts switching into study mode automatically. Choose one place: desk, library, corner of a room. Keep it simple, quiet, and tech-free. If silence distracts you, use low white noise or soft classical background. Do these 4 tricks consistently, and you'll notice something crazy. You'll study less, but remember more. Now comment your biggest study struggle in one word: focus, memory, or motivation. And I'll reply with a fix. If you want more fast study wins like this, hit subscribe and let's level up together.